It's 20 towns in 20 days on Eyewitness News, sponsored by Big Y. It's no big surprise, it's my Big Y.
Well, our town of the day today is East Hartford.
One of the great family-owned businesses in town is D'Addario's Auto Service.
And Kurt D'Addario is joining us this afternoon. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you.
First of all, 1965, is that right?
1965, yes.
So you are 1 year younger than I am. God bless you. Not you, but your business.
Your business.
That's
Okay.
fantastic. Congratulations.
Thank you.
So a lot of us don't really know what we're doing with our cars. So you're going to tell us a few things. I mean, number one, it's spring, and you said there's something we all need to be doing, no matter what make or model you have.
That's correct. You really need to, you do a spring cleaning on your house, you do a spring cleaning on your yard, you need to do a spring cleaning on your car. Do a walk around and get it to a qualified shop and let them take a look at it also to make sure that it's survived the winter roads.
Yeah, what are you looking for specifically?
Worn out suspension parts,
Okay.
bad tires, lights that aren't functioning. Nobody wants to work on a car in the slop and the snow and
Right,
the rain.
exactly.
Rain. So you bring it to us and we do it for you.
And you know, you're a local guy, own shop, all that, but sometimes people get confused and think they have to go to the dealer to get warranty parts or to get and that's not true, right?
No, it's not. As long as it's a licensed repair facility using quality parts, they can bring it to any shop as long as everything is documented and receipts are all made up.
And it has to be quality parts.
Quality parts, yes.
Okay. Now, when the check engine light goes on, I freak out and I'm like, I just have to bring it to the dealer. Is that not the case?
No. Many local shops can plug in. They have the equipment to plug in and find out what the code is. And a lot of times it's free. And we can pull the code and tell you which direction you have to go in, whether it has to be addressed right away or if you have a little time.
Do you have any wiggle room on that scheduled maintenance? Some people have older cars, they're paid off, and they're thinking, I'll get the oil changes, but there's all that stuff that says you have to do this, that, and the other at certain mileages. Do you need to do that to keep the car working well?
You should keep up on your scheduled maintenance. It's the cheapest way to make your car last.
Okay, so it's worth it.
It is worth it, yes.
Okay.
When's the time to trade it in? Finally realize, like, push has come to shove and I got to get rid of this junker. Is it when the cost outweighs the benefit?
Yes. Yeah, or when there's a catastrophic failure and you're in a position where you can move up.
Okay, so you're in a position where you can move
My
up.
own vehicle has almost 300,000 miles on it.
Really?
Yeah, of course,
Yes.
Of course your vehicle does. Can you get my car over 100? I'd love that.
Oh, yeah. Today's cars can go generally about 200,000 miles.
200,000 miles.
Yep.
Is diesel better than regular gas? Or I always say, if you get a diesel car, it'll last a little bit longer than a regular
Well, the diesel engine doesn't work quite as hard as the gasoline engine in regular passenger car vehicles, but in the trucks, naturally, they work harder.
Right, okay.
So if you're looking at a used car, is it wise to kind of take it, have you check it out, get the owner to say, I want to take it to my mechanic, get it looked over first?
Absolutely. We offer a pre-purchase inspection.
Okay.
And a lot of people wait until after they purchase it, and it would be a post-purchase inspection. But still, we do a digital vehicle inspection. So we have a tablet, and we can take pictures or videos of anything that we find, and we can send it right to your phone.
That way you can show the owner and say, this is what they found. Yeah.
Right. Well, the industry has been knocked down for so long that we're all out to upsell. By doing it digitally and having the videos and the pictures, we can send it to you, and you can see it basically live.
Right.
Exactly what
Which is
we found.
fantastic.
Yeah.
I love that.
And
Now,
it builds a big trust.
It does. And you have a saying, you like repeat customers, or what were you saying?
I like repeat customers, not return customers.
Exactly, because you only want to do the job once.
I want to do it once and do it right.
I love that saying.
Well,
I'm
should we-
taking that to my mantra there.
Yeah, that's good. Should we also, when you're talking to an auto shop like yours, do they give you the price ahead of time for the work, and does that price stick, or how does that part work?
Being that we're New Englanders and we're in a rust belt, it's very difficult to stick by a quote because you don't know what you're going to find when you start taking these cars apart. There's so much rust, so much corrosion that some of them take extra time. We actually have a sign posted that if there is extra time needed to disassemble or reassemble a vehicle, we will notify you right away.
Okay.
So they at
that
least let
there's
you know.
no surprise.
Okay.
And your labor rate is going to be cheaper than other major repair shops simply because you don't have the overhead that they do.
Right. We're not a huge parts department and a huge sales department and 5 or 6 service writers.
Okay.
With a huge building, so our labor rate can be a little bit lower.
All right. Well, that's excellent.
And we can go and ask for you by name. Where's Kurt?
Where's Kurt? Absolutely.
I work on the cars also. I enjoy it. That's why I got into it, because I just loved it.
It's like a chef in the business, chef in the kitchen.
Yeah, so if you'd like Kurt and his crew to help you with any of your auto issues, you will find him at his shop. It's located at 117 Burnside Avenue in East Hartford, and the website is DeDarios-auto.com.
DeDarios is also on Facebook. Just search DeDarios Auto Service. Thanks, Kurt. We appreciate you being here.
And be sure to join Denise DeCenzo in East Hartford for 20 Towns in 20 Days. That is tonight on Eyewitness News at 5.